Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by making sure the phone is unlocked and has enough battery. This avoids interruptions. Open Settings and go directly to Wallpaper or Lock Screen options. Once there, identify whether the current lock screen image came from system wallpapers, your photos, or a third-party app. This matters because removal steps differ slightly. If it's from an app, you'll also open that app next. Now you're ready to remove the wallpaper. Follow the next steps carefully. You're at the lock screen wallpaper preview. Tap the thumbnail to open full options. Once open, choose Remove, Delete, or Restore Default. Different systems use different labels, so pick the action that clears the image. If the wallpaper came from photos, confirm deletion only if you want it removed from your library too, otherwise just deselect it. If it came from a third-party app, either switch to a system wallpaper or uninstall the app, and revoke its wallpaper permission to fully clear the lock. Once you've removed the image, apply the default or a new plain wallpaper, and then lock your device to confirm the change appears on the lock screen. If the old wallpaper still shows, restart the phone. A reboot often clears any cached preview. Make sure wallpaper provider apps aren't set to reapply images automatically. Go to App Permissions and disable wallpaper access if necessary. If problems persist, uninstall the offending app or clear its app cache. Then repeat the remove and restart steps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.